Hi, this is Washabi. Today I'll be doing a slightly different video. This is still about watches, but these are some of the gifts that I've gotten when I buy my watches from my authorized dealers. Now, this particular one I got for buying a G-Shock. Comes with a nice box, checkered, with a diamond kind of thing, and it is actually a folding knife, but a unique folding knife. This is actually ceramic. This is ceramic, it's not metal at all. Even the blade is ceramic. But it's bloody sharp. Very sharp. I even shave my hairs off my hands. You can see here. So like any switchblade, you have a pocket latch here. It locks. To unlock, you need to just this is that you just push it down, release the catch, and it will slightly slide back. Very sharp. And this is supposed to be a gift. You can't buy this, so I'm actually quite happy that I got one. G-Shock. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Follow the channel, more videos coming up.